Hi, I have a LG WD14030D washing machine. It has an A error displaying. Manual says water leak, call for service. I did the basic maintenance on it, checked drain hose for blockage, cleaned water inlet filters and then the drain pump filter basket. Before replacing the drain pump filter basket, I stuck my hand in with a cloth to wipe out that area and found a disposable rubber glove that had been blocking it. I am assuming this is what caused the problem. The machine will not start again and is stuck on the error message. Do you think this is because the drain pump is now broken, or do I just need to reset it somehow to get it going again? Thank you for your help. Hiya, water has spilled into the base of the machine, activating the anti-flood device. Unplug the appliance. Take the rear panel off. Mop out the water in the base. Once it's all out, try the machine again. If it has a leak, it will start working, then fail with the A again. If it was a spillage, it will work normally. Check it out, let me know how it goes. Hope this helps, thanks.
I was so excited when it started working again, but alas, it is a leak and it failed again with an A error message. The leak seems to be coming from somewhere deep inside, nowhere that I can see or reach easily. Can you see the image I attached? I don't think it worked. The red circle is where I think the water is dripping out of, the bottom of the round metal thing with the bolt in the middle, maybe called the drive shaft. The blue is where it is ending up, on top of the flat plastic box thing that is under the drum. Any ideas? I would be happy to give it a shot, kind of pleased that I have gotten this far with it and hoping I can fix without calling in someone, as it will probably take a week for them to get to me. Thank you.
Hiya, sorry there's no picture attached. Can you upload it to a file sharing site and post the link to it here? I'll be able to download it then. Thanks.
https://simonaturner.sharefile.com/d/say45552cc3ba47f6a. How's that? Not only am I learning basic washing machine maintenance, I've learned file sharing too.
Hiya, sorry, that's a major fault. Either the bearing seal has failed and water is coming out of the drive shaft into the motor, and then dripping down, or there's a hole in the tub behind the direct drive motor. The motor will need to come off to examine the tub, and if it's the seal at fault, the tub has to come out, be split apart and new bearings and seals fitted. At worst, it will need a new tub if it's holed. Sorry, really bad news I'm afraid, and not a simple fix. Hope this helps, thanks. Hiya, just had another thought about this. Check above the motor, where the hoses are. Make sure none of the hose are leaking, dripping onto the motor. Take the top off and watch what happens. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.